here, and I am back with a brand new video for you guys today. So in today's video, I'm going to be filming a summer try on haul part 2. So earlier in the month of May, I did film my summer try on haul parts 1, and in that video I did mention that there would be a part 2 haul. So that is what we are doing today. Over the last few weeks, I have been receiving items, I have been picking up items, and just getting different things from like all these different stores that have been opening back up since they were shut down due to COVID-19. I don't really have too much to say for this intro. Only thing that I do want to say, please ignore my nails. It is nail shop week. I do have to go to the nail shop this Friday, but y'all gotta wait till I get paid first, so y'all gotta deal with these little ugly monsters for right now. I'm gonna go ahead and get into this video, so if y'all do enjoy it, please give it a huge thumbs up. I'll subscribe to the channel, which is linked in that down bar below, as well as all of my social media if y'all want to check out what I'm doing. Let's go ahead and get into this summer try on haul. So the first thing I'm going to show y'all is this really cute pair of shoes from Shoe Carnival. So these are just some really cute like Birkenstock knockoffs, but they have these really cute sparkly like straps on them, and then they have just plain white bottoms. So please ignore these like dirty bottoms on them. I have wore the shoes one time before when I did some Instacart orders one day. These shoes were on sale for like $24 or something like that. But yeah, they're really cute. They go with like so much different things, and I have been needing like a pair of, you know, silver sandals, because I have a pair of gold sandals, but I don't have no kind of silver shoes. So y'all, the next store I went to was Walmart, and I bought this really cute pair of sandals here. So I actually have these sandals in a couple of different colors. I have pink, red, and white as well. And I decided to pick up this really cute mint teal bluish kind of color, whatever color you want to say. So y'all, for the next 4 items, these were 4 items that were gifted to me by my mother-in-law. So they weren't bought by me, but I still decided to show them in this haul video just because, you know, like, why not? The first 3 things she got me were this cute purse. It also comes with a matching wallet, which I'm going to show y'all in a little bit, and then also this really cute pair of sandals. So first, starting with the purse, like I said, it comes with this really cute wallet, and it is by the Tommy Hilfiger brand. I've actually only wore the purse once, and I've never worn a wallet. Yeah, it's a really cute purse. It has like this red strap, has like a little gold decal right here that says Tommy Hilfiger and stuff on it. And then also for the shoes, there are just these really cute slides that say Hilfiger on them. And also the last thing that she got me is this really cute Michael Kors purse, and it has like this strap on it, and also comes with these 2 little straps. So sometimes I wear it as like a crossbody, sometimes I wear it like this, you know. It has like 3 different compartments, so it has like these little buttons right here that you can like press to close it. But yeah, so you have like this compartment, you have a middle compartment which has a zipper, which I keep like ponytail holders and stuff like that in, and then it also has this other side and stuff. So the next store that I went to was Ross, and I got like 3 different items from there. So the first thing I got is just this really cute pair of blue jean skinny legs. So these are really cute, and the thing that I like about these is that they fit more on like the high waisted side. The only thing I don't like about them is that they don't like fully cover your entire ankle, so they do kind of like flood just a tad bit. Like I said, I got these from Ross. They're really cute. I may end up cutting them into like some distressed skinny legs just to give them a little bit more, you know, cuteness or whatever, but yeah, they're still really cute. So the next thing that I got from Ross is this really cute lime green sheer crop top. I really love the way this top fit. It kind of fits like really baggy, but it's really cute when you put it on. Honestly, you can just put like a really cute bralette up under this, you know, with some like cute biker shorts or something like that. It has like the drawstring right here at the bottom, and you can kind of like make it tighter and loose as you want. And it also has this zipper right here that goes above the chest, and then also it comes with this really cute pocket right here, so you can kind of like put stuff in there. So the last thing that I got from Ross are these really cute Ethica underwear. So these are boy underwear. I did get these out of the boy section. So I don't plan on wearing these like as underwear, because obviously I'm a girl. I wouldn't really wear these underwear. I actually might wear these as like some biker shorts or something like that. You know, you can pair these with like a really cute tube top or like plain color crop top or something like that. So the next store that I went to was Forever 21. First of all, I ordered 2 really cute necklaces from there. The first one is just this really cute queen pendant choker. So it says queen on it, and it has like these really cute rhinestones, and like I said, it is a choker style necklace, so it kind of goes like up on the neck. And then I also ordered this really cute Barbie necklace. It literally says Barbie on it, and I think it's from like the Barbie collection that Forever 21 had. So next from Forever 21, I got this really cute pair of dolphin shorts, and these shorts are so freaking cute to me. I absolutely love wearing these shorts. They like have like this really soft material. I absolutely love these these shorts, y'all. I have like 30 pairs of these, no lie. So the next item that I have from Forever 21 is this really cute heather gray knit bodycon dress. This thing is super soft. It's super comfortable and it fits really nice on my body. Honestly, I don't know where I would wear a dress like this to, but you know, I mean, it's summertime. I can just throw it on, put on some little cute sandals, put on a cute blue jean jacket and go about my day. So next I have 2 pairs of biker shorts. Y'all know how I feel about biker shorts. I absolutely love these things. These are literally a staple for the summertime. So I ordered this pair in the color charcoal gray, and then I ordered another pair of black ones. So the next 2 items that I have are these really cute bodysuits. So I have one in this really cute yellow color, and I also have one in this really cute hot pink color. Honestly, when I was filming the try on part for this video, I literally figured out that these have like this big old cage opening at the back. I had no idea when I ordered these. I have no problem with the back being out, but I wish I would have known that before I ordered them, because I probably wouldn't have ordered them. Item that I have for Forever 21 is this really cute plain black tube top. Out of all my clothes, I don't think I have one single black tube top. I have one, but it has like this weird like flap on it that just makes it look kind of ugly. So I decided to order one that's completely plain. So y'all, that was all for this video. I hope you all enjoyed. Please remember to give it a huge thumbs up, and also subscribe to the channel, which is linked in that down bar below. So yeah, anyway guys, I will see y'all in my next video. Bye-bye.
Down we let it go. Sunset high and our bodies low. Blood rush in a hazy glow. My hands, your bones. Loose up, we break the scene.